Happy morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and safe at home. Students, welcome back to online class. Now we are going to discuss subject EVS. So you all take your EVS book, students. In this class, we are going to discuss a new chapter, Let Us Communicate. Turn to page number 112, take chapter 15. Okay. Students, you all repeat the title, Let Us Communicate. Listen the class and understand. Okay. Students, let us discuss the chapter, Let Us Communicate now. Okay. So listen carefully and understand. In this class, we are going to discuss about need for communication, sending letters through telephone, mass communication. Now we are going to discuss first need for communication. Communication means to send and receive messages. We can send the messages through letters. We can receive the messages through newspaper. Isn't it, children? We need to communicate in order to send messages, exchange views, give news or information. In earlier times, people used pigeons, horses, or special messengers to send messages from one place to another. They were not even sure whether the message was delivered to the person for whom it was meant or not. Nowadays, we use means of communication which are not only more reliable but also faster. Sending letters is a very old and popular means of communication. Postcards, inland letters, stamps, aerograms. Through aerograms are used to send letters through people staying in countries abroad. If you want to get your letter delivered fast, you can send it through a special service of the post office which is called speed post. Urgent letters can also be sent through courier services. We use telegrams to send urgent and very short messages. Telephone is one of the most popular and fastest means of communication. We can use a telephone to talk to a person anywhere across the world. We can make direct calls on STD and ISD. STD, which means standard trunk dialing, ISD, international subscriber dialing. Nowadays, two types of phones are available in the market. Landline phone is connected to the telephone cable. Mobile phone is a phone which can be carried to any place wherever you go. Mobile phones are also called as cellular phones. Mobile phones are used to send SMS, short messages, services also. A telephone line can also be connected to your fax machine. It can send or receive a written or printed message at once. Fax stands for facsimile, which means a copy. Newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and computer give news and information to a large number of people at the same time. Hence, they are called a means of mass communication or mass media. Newspaper is a written form of communication. It is printed in many languages. National and international news are published in it. Radio gives us news and information that we can hear as sounds, whereas a television allows us to see pictures as well as hear sounds. Computers have become very popular as a means of communication. We can log on to the internet through a computer and get information on any subject that we want. We can send an email or electronic mail through the internet And email is not only very fast but also expensive. So now, through this chapter, we all learnt about some common means of communication used these days. Okay, students, are you all understand what is meant by mass communication and what are the different types of communication we are using nowadays? Are you all understand the concept, children? Yes, I hope you all understood. So now you are going to do the exercise in the chapter 15. So now you all turn to page number 112. Take a pencil. Students, look at the page number 112 in your book. Look at here. Given below are some pictures of the journey of a letter. Arrange them in the correct order by writing numbers 1 to 4 in the circle. See here, children, here circles are given, isn't it? So in this place, now we are going to write the correct order numbers. Okay, so you have to see here. First you have to see these pictures. So what picture will come first? You have to tell. If you want to send a letter to someone means, how to start? So we write the letter and place it on the envelope. Then we write the address on the envelope. We then paste stamp on it, isn't it? So look here. So first we start write the letter, isn't it, children? So you have to put the number 1 in this place. Okay. So next step, what will we do? Then we posted the letter in the box. Is it correct? Yes. So after we completed the letter, what will we do? We go and posted the letter in the letter box. So in this place you have to put the number 2. Okay? So after we posted the letter, what will happen means the postman collects the letters from the letter box and takes them to the post office. Look at here. Okay. So at the post office, after what happened means at the post office, the letters are sorted in order and put it in appropriate mailing box. Look at here. This process only is going here. Okay. So in this circle, 3 will come. Okay. So you have to put the number 3. Okay. Postman collects the letter from the box and then postman submit all the envelopes to the post office. Okay, at the post office what happened means all the letters are sorted in order. Okay, so this process only going here. So you have to put the number 3 in this circle. Next, look at here, children. So at the last process what will happen means the postman then delivers the letters according to the address written on them. So here look, postman is delivering the letter to one man, isn't it? One boy. So you have to put the number here 4. So look at your children, put the number correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? You have to put in order, correct order. Okay, children? Yes. After you completed these pages, then turn to the book exercises. I hope you all understand what is communication in this chapter, isn't it? So now you are going to do the book exercises. Turn to page number 116. Tick the correct answer. An urgent letter can be sent through courier. You have to tick courier. Okay. Already we read this sentence in this lesson, isn't it? So already I have shown the pictures, isn't it? So an urgent letter can be sent through courier. You have to tick courier. Okay. The fastest means of communication is the telephone. You have to tick telephone. In early times, people used to send messages through the pigeons. I showed the picture now. Yes, you have to tick pigeons. Okay. Next one, look here, children. Second Roman letter. Unscramble the given words to write different modes of communication. Here, letters are rearranged. Okay. So it's not given properly. So now we are going to rearrange that letters correctly. Okay. So the exact word come for here, aerogram. You have to write the spelling AEROGRAMME. Then Turn to page number 117. Look at the second one. So here letters are all rearranged. Now we are going to arrange it correctly. Okay. So the exact word come for here telephone. Telephone. You have to write the correct letters, children. Is look at the third one. So the correct word is newspaper will come. So you have to write the letters NEUNEWSPAPER. After you completed, look at the third Roman letter. Write T for true and F for false statement. First one, postcard and inland letters are the means of mass communication. So this is a wrong statement. You have to put false. Okay. So mass communications are what are they, children? Look at in page number 115. So radio, television, magazines, newspaper or computer. These are known as only mass communication. So look at here. These are only mass communication, children. Okay. So now you understand. So the statement is wrong. So you have to put false. Okay. Here given postcard and inland. So the statement is wrong. Okay. Second one. Mobile phones are connected to the telephone cables. So the statement is also wrong. You have to put F. Okay. A letter can be delivered fast through the speed post. As the statement is right. So you have to put T. An email can be sent through the internet. As you have to write T. The statement is right. Okay. Then look at here. Who is the father of computers? You have to take Charles Babbage. Take the word Charles Babbage. Okay. Yes. Do the book exercises neatly, children. After you completing the book exercises, what will you do? Sit and learn. Learn all the chapter book exercises. Okay. Don't waste your time in home, children. Okay. So study well. Okay. Thank you, children. We will see you in next class. Stay home. Be safe.